In this video, you'll see how to offer course certificates with MemberPress Courses. Once a student completes a course, they'll be able to download a certificate of completion. You can change the signature, name, text, logo, and more on the certificate itself. So let's see how this works. I already have a sample MemberPress site set up. So I'll go to MemberPress here on the left sidebar and Courses. Then I'll click Add New to create a new course. Now I'll pause the video and create my course lessons. Okay, now I have a small sample course built, which you can see here. And here you'll see this tab, Certificate. Click that, and you'll see an option to enable certificate on this course. If you choose to leave it disabled here, there won't be an option to download a certificate when a student completes the course. And to offer a certificate, click to enable certificate on this course. Then you'll see options pertaining to certificates. Force PDF download, when enabled, will download the certificate PDF file to a user's computer instead of opening it up in browser. And if you choose to disable this option, it'll open the certificate file right in a user's browser. I'll keep this enabled, and we'll see what this looks like later. Here, you can select what format you want the certificate to be. You can choose letter or A4 for the paper size. Next, you can select what design you want for the certificate. You can right-click on an image and select Open Image in New Tab to get a better preview of what it'll look like. So, going back to the settings, I'll keep this first option selected. Next, you can upload your logo. This is the image that will display in the top of the certificate. Just click here to either upload a new logo file or select one from your media library. So I'll go ahead and choose my site logo here. And then next is the bottom logo. So going back to that sample certificate, the bottom logo will be this image here that sits between the signature and name. It can be some kind of branded seal like you see here, or whatever you want. I'll go back to the settings and then choose an image that I already have in my media browser to use for this. An image with a transparent background generally works best for this. Then you can upload a signature file. A transparent PNG image of your signature will work best here. So I'll go ahead and upload my signature image here. Next, you can change the title. It's this text right here. I'll leave it set to this here. Then you can change the instructor name and title. It's your name and title right here. And the footer message is this text right here. So I'll go back to the settings, and you can see the option to change the footer here. So I'll change it to some sample text. Okay, moving on. Next, you can change the text color. Select a color here and the opacity. Or click this icon and enter a hex value or RGB or HSL value. So once you're finished, click Update to save these options. Now, I'll open a new incognito window in Google Chrome so I'm not logged in as my site's admin user. Then I'll pause the video and log in as a test user account that I have set up on my site that has access to my course, and then I'll go to the course page. Once I'm there, I'll go ahead and progress through the course to complete it. Then, once the course is complete, you can see this link appear here for a certificate. And if I click it as the test user who just completed the course, you can see that it downloads the certificate PDF file. And here's what that looks like. You can see the title, the footer text, my logos, the signature, all on the certificate design that I selected. Now, I'll go back to edit this course as my site admin. Back in the Certificates tab, I'll uncheck the Force PDF setting to show you what this looks like for a student. Then I'll be sure to click Update to save this change. Now, I'll go back to that incognito window logged in as my test user and refresh the course. Then, when I click that certificate link, it opens up the PDF file in browser. You've now seen how to offer a certificate of completion to students in MemberPress Courses. See our knowledge base for more information on creating courses in MemberPress. And be sure to follow our blog and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest tips and tricks on making your MemberPress site a success. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.